Today the colours we're using are Venetian red, billiard green and vermilion, along with a little flat brush. So just utilising that flat brush and using the edge to make this lovely flat round circle, dragging the brush round with the paint, sort of twizzling it around an imaginary circle that's in the middle. When you've done that with the vermilion, you're going to grab some Venetian red and do exactly the same, but your circle is already there for you to go round. Just choosing 3 of these to go round and then grabbing a round brush, a medium-sized round brush, using the billiard green and making these leaf shapes. Just putting them in the negative space wherever I please, adding a little bit of pressure, and then I've got the Venetian red again. I'm just making some little circles. They look a little bit like berries, I think, just in that space that's existing there. Just filling the page full of these lovely round shapes. Spilled a bit of paint there on there, so I've just tidied that up. Once you've done that, I've got a smaller round brush, again using the Venetian red, just adding some little tiny dots inside these flowers, just to add a little bit of detail there and just dotting away. And now I've decided that I want to add a little bit more detail to that negative space. I thought it looked a bit bland, a bit white, a bit plain. So I'm just dotting that colour, that Venetian red again, all into that negative space. Once you think you've filled all the space and you like the way it looks, then let it dry. Then grab some pens. I've got some gold fine liners, some gold felt tips, white gel pens, gold gel pens, and a black fine liner. So I'm just adding, I've got a white acrylic paint pen and I'm just adding some white stripes on that band of colour there. Adding these white stripes to all of the rings that are the Venetian red. So I just want it to look quite uniform, so I'm just adding the same patterns onto the same colours. With a gold gel pen, I am just circling those little dots inside that flower, and that just makes it sort of pop. You can see they look a little bit 3D here, so I'm really pleased with the way that looks. So I'm going to do that to all of the flowers, embellish them in this way using the same pen and the same technique. And then when that's complete, you need to grab a black fine liner, and I'm just making 3 or 4 marks inside these little berry shapes. Just offers a little bit of shading, I think, so I'd like a little bit of interest. So just adding that to all of the little berry shapes that you can see. Then when you've done that, moving on to some of the negative spaces inside the flower, just using a line from that gold gel pen to the edge of that vermilion paint. Swapped back over to the gel pen and just going around some of the lines where I've used the pens, and that just sort of hides any marks where you've gone over onto the other bit that you don't want to see. So just tidies up those lovely edges. Now I've got a gold felt tip pen and I'm using the edge and just putting some little dots in there. And then I've swapped over to the Posca pen again, to the white acrylic paint pen, and I'm just detailing these leaves. outlining the gold felt tip pen now, and that just makes that just stand out a little bit against the vermilion red. So you can see it just looks a bit more prominent, I think. So I'm going to do that on all of the flowers. Hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you'll consider liking and subscribing, and then you'll be kept up to date with my latest paintings that I produce. If you've got time, maybe leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you, what you're up to, what your art journey's been like, any information really. I find it really interesting, and I will come back to you as soon as I can. Using the gold felt tip pen to tidy up the edges, and I'm going to do that to all of the flowers. Just gives them a lovely clean border. Using the gel pen here, just circling around and then reverting back to the felt tip pen and then back to the gel pen, adding some little circles in that negative space between the bands of colour in the flower. I just thought the white looked a bit bland, a bit stark, so the gold will just break that up and add that little detail. When you feel that you've done all the embellishment that you need to do, then grab your felt tip pen and just make a border by pressing against that tape and just circling round your picture. Peel away the tape and you'll be able to reveal your beautiful picture with that lovely border. And you can see the details here. You can see the gold glistening under the light and the details that that offers. Hope you get to try this. As you saw, it's so easy to do and really gets you in that arty zone, and you'll really love doing it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.